Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting a sturdy notebook and marking the cover so it's unmistakable. Once done, write the date and project on page 1, then draw the column headings time, activity, duration, notes, and ID. You must use clear handwriting and a consistent time format like 09, 00, or 14, 30 so entries remain sortable. Now create an index entry for page numbers to avoid lost logs, and begin your first timed entry immediately to establish the habit. You should record entries as events happen. Don't rely on memory. When an activity starts, jot the start time and a concise description, then update with the end time and duration when finished. Make sure to reference any receipt or form with the ID column so you can cross-check later. If something unusual occurs, note it in the notes field, location, who was present, and why it differs, because those details explain discrepancies during review or audits. You finish each day by totaling durations and writing a quick summary of progress. This makes weekly reconciliation fast. Once totals are recorded, compare the log with receipts, calendar events, or photographs to verify accuracy. If you find mismatched entries, annotate the log with the discrepancy, your correction, and the correction date so the history remains transparent. If things still don't add up, consult supporting documents immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.